Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay Holsey. If you're new to my videos, welcome. I am the creator of the Fit Cycle as well as a multi-six-figure e-commerce leader, and today I wanted to share with you guys my grocery haul. And this one's a little bit unique because I am staying at my parents' house while we are kind of in this transition. We just sold our house and we're waiting for the townhome that we're renting to be available. So I've got about another week here, and they live about 2 hours away from Dallas and about 30 minutes away from the nearest town and grocery store. So my mom and I ordered some groceries for the weekend. It is Memorial Day weekend coming up. I wanted to share some things that we're gonna be cooking to stay a little bit more healthy throughout the holiday weekend, as well as just kind of an overall grocery haul for a more rural area. Hi, I'm Lindsay, and this is the Fit Cycle. And a regular grocery store. So if you are new to my videos, or if you've been here for a while, you guys know I am a huge fan of Instacart, and I am used to just ordering my groceries and having them delivered. And so since I've been living here, we do have the ability to order groceries, but then we have to drive 30 minutes to go pick them up. And so that's been a little bit of an adjustment, but it's going really well. So I wanted to share what I got. And so in their town, they don't have a Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, or anything like that. This is going to be a normal grocery store haul, or kind of like a grocery store haul that most people are gonna have access to. The price of everything here, as you can see, this is a huge haul, and we have a 24 pack of Coors Light over here as well. And it probably costs about $150, and this is gonna feed 4 of us for the entire weekend. So, and honestly, I think this is also gonna last us into next week. So let's get started on the haul. For the meals that we're gonna be having this weekend, we're gonna be doing burgers on the grill. I feel like that's a very classic American holiday weekend. So burgers on the grill, and then we're gonna be doing chicken kebabs on the grill and beer can chicken on the grill. So I'll show you kind of what we got, and then different dips and things that we're gonna be having throughout the holiday weekend. So let's get started with that. So as for the kebabs, and one of the things that I like to do is I like to marinate everything that's gonna go on the kebab in this Olive Garden dressing. So I got the big boy, the Mac Daddy size. So what we like to do is we like to marinate everything that's gonna be in the kebab in this. So I'll probably do this about 24 hours before we grill. But all I'll do is I will cut up some bell peppers, organic bell peppers. They have these at the local United, and then also some zucchini, squash, and then one thing that I like to do rather than cutting onions is I like to do pearl onions. And so these are in the frozen section, and I will let these, actually they'll be frozen whenever I pour them into the gallon bag to marinate them. And then by the time I'm ready to put them on the skewer, they're already thawed. So they go on there really, really nice. And then, get down. Another thing that I like to do is I like to get the canned mushrooms that are whole mushrooms. These hold the marinade really, really well, and they go on the skewers really, really nicely. So I really like those, so we got a couple of those, and that's gonna be everything for the chicken kebabs. And then one other thing that I'll make is this yellow rice. So we'll have chicken kebabs with the yellow rice, and that will be really yummy. One other thing that I've been loving lately, and you guys see this if you are on my Instagram, I share a lot of my daily meals, and I have been loving sauteed mushrooms, onions, and zucchini and squash. So that's another reason I got fresh mushrooms, and so I'll just saute those up, and it adds volume to your food. Like tonight we're doing taco salads for dinner, and so I'll saute up the zucchini and the mushrooms, and it'll add volume into my taco salad. And on that note, one thing that they had, which I'm so pumped about, is these taco salad shells. So my mom and I are gonna do taco salad bowls tonight, and my dad's gonna have regular tacos. With the tacos, I did 96.4 lean ground beef, super yummy and good, and then just some regular taco seasoning there as well. And then I wanted to try for tonight, I wanted to try this white rice, and it's made out of like lentil flour and chickpeas, 2 grams of fat, 30 grams of carbs, 10 grams of protein. So the macros aren't a lot different, but the ingredients and the amount of it being processed is gonna be a lot better than white rice, and it's gonna add a lot of micronutrients in as well. So I think it's really important if you're tracking macros to make sure that you're getting the micronutrients, which is gonna be your vitamins and minerals too, and you're not just focused on macros. So really excited to try this rice. And then as far as the beer can chicken, I mean, super simple. We just got this 4-pound chicken, and I just looked up a recipe. We're gonna use some Coors Light and make some beer can chicken, so that will last. I'll be able to, that's basically like meal prepping. So the kebabs will be great for meal prep. Any leftovers, the beer can chicken is gonna be like rotisserie chicken. It's gonna be really great for leftovers as well. And as far as just like snacks and things go, we got a lot of sandwich meat. So 2 pounds of smoked turkey, and then my dad loves salami. I love salami. You can make a salami sandwich. So what I've been doing also is just having the turkey to just snack on, so I'm not having like extra carbs and that, but I'm getting extra protein in. So that's really good for that. And then for the chicken kebabs, I just got regular chicken and tons of vegetables, cherry tomatoes, limes for the taco salads. We're gonna make some 7-layer dip, so I got some tomatoes and some hot bean dip, some guacamole from the deli. So much stuff, you guys, and this was so cheap. Another snack that I love on a hot holiday weekend is pineapple. So got some pineapple. And then as for our other snacks and chips and things, I got some jalapeno chips, some barbecue kettle chips, some tortilla chips, and you gotta have the cookies, you know, gotta have the goods for a little dessert. And then one thing I did want to share with you guys, these True Fruit, oh my gosh, I am so pumped about these. We did a little taste test, so I got strawberry and raspberry. If I had a choice, raspberry would be the winner. It's so good. And the macros, you get 4 to 5 pieces, 5 grams fat, 10 grams carbs, 1 gram of protein. A couple other things that I saw here that I was like, oh, I haven't seen those anywhere else, or I'm really excited that they have these. So we did get some jalapeno poppers. These are great for low carb day, but these are also great on the grill. So we're gonna be having some of those. And then I also saw this Celsius Fit drink. My sister-in-law drinks these. There's 0 macros in there, or no, sorry, 0 carbs, 10 calories, 0 sugar, 10 calories, 2 carbs, no protein or anything like that, but lots of vitamins and minerals in there. So I'm gonna try that. And then one of the other things that we're making, so I already mentioned the 7-layer dip, but we're also going to be making artichoke dip. So I went ahead and got some artichoke hearts. You'll do some mayonnaise. I think that recipe is in the app, but if it's not, let me know and I'll put it in there. But that's everything for this grocery haul pretty much. I was so excited about how much food you get. If you go to Whole Foods, you'll spend $100 and you'll get everything in one bag. And so I was very, very pleased with how far all of this food is gonna go and the quality of the food that I was able to get, and super, super excited that I was able to share it with you. If you like this video and you want to see more grocery hauls, please let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I put out new videos every single Friday, and so let me know what you want to see. See you next time.